Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. I'm so happy to see y'all. How y'all doing? How are you guys doing? I hope you're feeling good. Today, we are doing a wig review on this. Is it a wig? Is it a wig? Is it my hair or is it a wig? We are doing a wig review on this Motown Tress AUDI wig. I got a lot of stuff to tell you guys about this wig. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for me and also hit that subscribe button. So I'm gonna show you guys how I put this wig on, and then I'm gonna talk about it and give you the specs and all that great stuff. There will be timestamps provided below. Let's go ahead and jump into this wig. Y'all wanna hear what I'm listening to? Okay, back to the music. So we are back installing this unit, and woo, I got a lot to tell y'all about this wig. First of all, shout out to WigTypes. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. If you guys don't know about WigTypes, what are you doing with your life? WigTypes is quick with the shipping. They have everything that you need, what your hair needs. So definitely go ahead and check out WigTypes. I will leave a link below to where you can purchase this unit. This wig is from Motown Tress. The style is LS137 AUDI, and I have the color F1B30. It says frost. I don't know if that's anything special, but it's 1B30. Okay, as you saw in the put down, this wig has that basic cap construction. It has that 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back. This wig is an HD invisible lace 13x7 fake scalp wig. I cut that fake scalp out, okay? You can do whatever you feel like you need to do with this wig, but I felt like when I was putting this wig on, that fake scalp was giving me the Alright, I'm back. I was missing a nail, y'all. So this is a 13x7 fake scalp wig. It said it's pre-made, most natural ball. Look, I'm reading the stock card. When you read it like this, it look like you old. Like, ooh, pre-made natural ball cap. Yeah, so it's saying it's a pre-made most natural ball cap. I'm not too sure if you guys skip through the videos or whatever you do with your lives, but I did cut this fake scalp out, okay? And the reason being is because I felt like I had a wig cap on. I felt like I had a wig cap on and you was just seeing it, and it just wasn't working for my life. So if you skip past that part, go ahead and catch it up in the beginning. I cut that out. I felt like it's more natural this way. I went ahead and I put my Ebin tint spray on this unit and I blended this in, and I feel like she is melted into my skin. She is coming out of my DNA. It says that this is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Yeah, so let's go ahead and talk about this. I like her. I like her. I like her. This is an HD invisible lace. I've already mentioned how I feel about HD. The color is a little bit lighter to my complexion. It might be good for your complexion. I don't know what your complexion is that's watching this, but as far as me, I needed to use my Ebin tint spray. The lace was pretty thin. I like that. Therefore, it was melted into my skin once you get the color right, okay? So I appreciate that. The actual lace as well. I feel like the lace wasn't too thin and it wasn't too hard, but it was a good lace and I didn't feel like I would rip it when I was playing with it. This also does come with that adjustable elastic band. So if you do want to wear this glueless, I feel like you can. I like the fact that it's actually adjustable. Some of these units, it's just one band, but this is adjustable, so that's great. And you get a lot of nice parting space with this. So this is what she's looking like. You don't have to put her where I put her. You can part her wherever you need to, okay? This is pretty much where it ends, right here on the side, but it's like about right here of parting space. So if you want to put her up, if you want to move her, you can do a lot to her. I just kind of did like a flip over method because I felt like that was cute and I like flip over methods. Now let's go ahead and talk about this hair texture. So I'm using serum throughout as I play with this wig. I feel like this wig is one of those wigs that is synthetic, first of all, so understand what you're paying for, okay? You're paying for a synthetic wig. Now, is this like the typical synthetic plasticky wig? Absolutely not. I like this hair texture, guys. I actually like this hair texture. I feel like if you go in with a little bit of spray, a little bit of water, a little bit of serum, boom, boom, boom. Oh, my earring fell off. Okay, yeah, I had to put my earring back on. But I feel like if you go in with a little bit of water and a little bit of serum, you can tame her. You can play with her. You can do what you need to do. Now, I feel like if you don't have those things, running your fingers through it might be a little bit hard. But with synthetic units, you kind of need to set it and kind of forget it. Set it and forget it. So you need to set it and just leave it. You can't keep playing with it, sis, because listen, she gon' get all frayed and tangly and all that. I do like the curls on this wig. I feel like you get some nice, beautiful, beautiful like wand curls with this. And that's the beauty with a synthetic wig, you get it fresh out the pack. You don't have to do too much. The style that you pay for is exactly what you're getting. So it's beautiful wand curls fresh out the pack. So I can absolutely appreciate that. I feel like however you're going to style this wig, you do need to go in with a little bit of powder in that parting space, but that's fine. I like the cap. I like the hair texture. I like the color. I like the wig. Let's talk about the cons. So as far as the cons, there's one major con for me on this wig, and I feel a little bit disappointed to tell you guys this because I feel like I just told you this in a previous wig review. But for this wig in particular, she's gorgeous, y'all. She's absolutely gorgeous. But she sheds. She sheds so bad. This is some of the hair as I'm just playing with her. But there's more hair. There's a lot of hair, okay, coming out of this wig. Now, what I realized, if you leave these wigs alone, synthetic wigs, you set it, you do what you need to do, she gonna be all right. But if you feel like, oh, I'm cute, oh, shoot, I got hair coming out. You can't be putting your fingers in these wigs, okay? You have to leave these synthetic wigs alone. But she is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really liking this wig. I like the way it melts. I like everything about this wig except the fact that she is shedding so bad. She is definitely a shedder. But if you are part of the synthetic club and you know how this works, you're gonna be okay. You know how synthetic wigs are. She tangles, but she doesn't tangle too bad because the fibers are actually good on this one. So I can run my fingers through her, so that's actually really good. It's just the shedding. She's shedding really, really bad. Why I keep getting these wigs that shed? I think if you chop her up, it probably would be a little bit better as far as managing the wig, but I think she's gorgeous. I think I would purchase this wig again. It's crazy because the other one, I just threw that wig away. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I threw that wig away. But this one, I like the curls, I like the style, I like the fresh out of pack, ready to go with synthetic. You know what I'm saying? I think I would buy this wig again. I think if you chop this wig, you can work with her a little bit better, but she does shed. So I had to let y'all know. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks again to WigTypes for sponsoring this video. And let's chat. Let's talk about this wig. Until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.